Welcome to the Shark Bites Café. Some students at May River High School are reeling in customers with delicious treats and freshly brewed coffee that are sure to hook any teacher looking for a tasty treat.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm gonna have an egg bite and coffee right now.
I was passing it out to the teachers and saying good morning and thank you for supporting our Shark Bite Cafe.
Oh, thank you.
Every Tuesday, the students put on their aprons and get busy baking a variety of muffins and other delicious goodies.
We made gingerbread muffins and we used brown sugar, ginger, molasses, and then flour.
Egg bites, we use different ingredients sometimes. Once we use bacon, eggs, salt, cheese, and spinach.
And they're really easy to make because you can just put all the ingredients in the blender.
Later in the week, the students put the orders together, including brewing coffee and tea, before they make their deliveries around the school.
I always put in the creamers, how much creamer they want. Some of them want 2, some of them want 3, some of them want 4.
The Shark Bites Cafe is part of the class's credential program, helping the students gain valuable life skills while preparing them for future employment opportunities.
The students are responsible for everything from reading the recipes and getting the supplies to the financial piece of this and learning how to do accounting and staff purchase Shark Bites credits. And the students have to learn to subtract the credits that the staff has used.
Did you find 1 teaspoon?
I like to see my students successful for the rest of their life. I'm trying to set them up for success for their careers.
The Shark Bites Cafe makes their deliveries every Thursday.
Thank you. They look delicious.
At May River High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County
Thank you
School
very
District.
much.
The muffin?
Thank you for supporting.
Thank you guys.